Start by adding your sugar, lemon, and water to a pot set to boil. Doing this is making the caramel we'll use for the base of the peanut brittle. When your caramel base is the shade of brown you want, next add the salt and butter and mix well. Add your peanuts and keep mixing until they're coated. On a wooden cutting board, begin to roll your mix and shape it to your desired thickness and length. During the shaping process, the brittle begins to cool down and harden. It's best to cut your peanut brittle before it completely hardens. Peanuts are a great source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making peanut brittle a nutritious snack option. Overall, peanut brittle is a tasty and satisfying treat that provides a great balance of sweet and salty, making it an ideal snack for those who crave something crunchy and satisfying.